Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add hover effect on your GoHighLevel buttons. Okay, so first of all, you can see here all the examples. We have 18 different hover effects button. Okay, so you can use any of them, okay, based on your use case. Okay, so when you hover, okay, on this example, you will see the changes, okay, it make. Okay, so here is it. So let me show you how you can apply the code snippet to hover over your button and add the effects. Okay, so for all the buttons, okay, for the effects from button 1 to button 18, the implementation is exactly same. Okay, so all you just need to copy the code snippet from the library, okay, the GHL code snippet library, and then all you just need to add a class of your button and then apply the code. Okay, so let me show you how you can do this. So I'm going to apply the first hover effect. Okay, the first one, let me show you how it actually, here is the first one. Okay, so it actually changes the background color a little bit and it added a shadow under the button. Okay, so let me show you how we can apply this. Okay, so let me add a row, okay, the column, so, and then I will add a button, and in this button I will apply this code snippet. Okay, so to do this, at first I need to add a class of this button. Okay, so select the button, go to the advanced tab, and from here custom class, add btn -1. Okay, so this is the class name. So for all the buttons, okay, we have button 1, button 2, 3. Okay, so the class name will be changed. Okay, so like btn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this way you will make the changes, okay, and add the classes, and then copy the code snippet from the library, go to the custom css tab from the top navigation and add the code. Okay, that's it. So now it actually added the button hover effect. Okay, so that this way you can apply the code snippet for all other buttons. Okay, so you will get the code snippet into the library, and you will also get the class name there. So all you just need to add the class name, okay, from the button advanced tab, and then add the code snippet into your custom CSS. Okay, so that's it for this video, and if you find this helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. And one more thing, these codes are the premium code snippets, so if you want to get this, you just need to go to GHL code snippet library. Okay, you need to upgrade your account to premium, and then you can use all our code snippet. Okay, so and also you can join our a community which is completely free, and you will get some of our courses and course snippet there for free. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.